Right, welcome back to the channel. Another video on the Metro. So I've plastic sheeted the walls there. Just need to do a little bit down at the bottom. I've rubbed down, rust treated and etch primed the tailgate. I've blocked it down on the filler and I'm just ready to high build primer that. I'd already done the bonnet but I had a little bit of overspray on it, so I've rubbed that down where I cut through. I've re-etch primed it, so that's again ready for high build primer. So I'm going to get on with high building them now, and then anything else that comes across as I'm on it. Right, so I'm now ready to high build primer the bonnet and tailgate. I ended up buying, and I did paint the back bumper with it. It's a dead cheap primer gun, so it's a Joran Tools one off eBay. I think it's less than 20 quid, but it's got a 1.8mm tip. The 1.4 that I was using in my DeVille Bis that I've used for the top coat, I was struggling. I had to thin the primer down too much when I did the body in it, so I thought I'll try this for 20 quid, see what it's like. Worked okay on the bumper. We'll soon see what it's like on this, but you're blocking it down anyway, so my thought process is the cheaper gun shouldn't make a big difference. I'll use the better quality gun when I do the top coat. Here's where I've got to. So I dolphin glazed that section. I have flatted it back and I've just put a bit of aerosol primer on it just to make sure I've got it right. So I'm going to get on with flattening that back. I had a couple of little cut throughs on the tailgate when I've rubbed that down, so all I need to do now, I've gone over that with 400 grit it was in the DA, so I'm going to use the soft pad again. I'm going to use 600 grit and I'm going to go over the tailgate again, then that's ready for paint. I'll probably have another couple of cut throughs which I'll have to etch prime. See the etch prime I've put on just on the vents. The bonnet, it dips in slightly where the vents are, but I think that's just standard sort of Metro panel fit. So get on with that now and then be ready for top coat. I did want to put the car outside, but it's raining, so I can't do that, so I might just drop it. It's on its wheels now. I don't know if I showed it going on its wheels, but it's on its wheels. I might just push it towards the front of the garage a bit. Alright, quick show where I'm up to. So I've just put the car back a little bit, jarred me back while I did it. Give the garage a little bit of a vac. Just getting the panels ready now, so flattened them all back. Totally flat now, just had a little bit of cut through around the vents, so I've etch primed that. Little few cut throughs around the edges of the tailgate, so I've etch primed that. Just need to flat that off a little bit more once that goes off, and then we're ready for top coat. What I'm going to do is, because I've got a bit more space here now, drop the garage door down, do what I did with the bumpers, and just line the two up, one there and one next to it, so I can get the top coat on. Right, so as you'd have seen in the time lapse then, battery trays painted, back of the tailgate's done, and the slam panel, I think it's called. Off camera, I've got the bonnet on. I've given it its first flat over, but the paint only went off a couple of days, so there is, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, a little bit of minor surface scratching still that still needs polishing out. So what I'll do once it's gone off again, or gone off harder should I say, I'll get that done again, so I'll polish it off. I've taken the sheet off the car. So we're looking pretty good now. The roof's got a couple of little imperfections that are bothering me a little bit. It's got a bit of dirt on it, but you can see just a few little areas where I think it's had silicone, but it's one of them things. Dead pleased with how the bumpers, headlight surrounds are looking. Though I may paint them headlight surrounds yet, but I can do that afterwards. Wing mirror needs painting, so they could get done at the same time. Still need to put the wipers on. Under the bonnet, ready for the tray. Got the battery up there, get that charged up. It's not been on it for a few years, but hopefully it'll still be holding the charge. Got the other side of the bonnet as well. Need to tighten that up, but I just want to wait till it's gone off a little bit longer. They're mint. So it really is looking good now. So let me know what you think. I want to try and get some replacement tyres for it, just for got a few shows. I've got some alloys, but I really don't want to put the alloys on. I've got some city stickers as well that I've had made. They're not the genuine ones. I've got 2 genuine ones, but I need 3, so I'm going to put the ones I've had made on first, and then try and source that last one. I've got a brand new badge for the grille in the house, so once I've got the slam panel on, the grille can go in. Need to order a service kit for it, but let me know what you think. It's really coming along. That's the end of this video. In the next video we'll be getting tailgate on. Obviously tailgate glass will need to go in, start putting together the grille, get the badge on the grille, give it another clean out, and just little touches up, bits and pieces need sorting. So I'll see you on the next one.